Bhastrika Pranayam. If you're joining today for the first time, just simply follow along the instructions, and those of us who have been coming regularly, you can close your eyes as you practice Bhastrika. अभी हम भस्त्रिका का अभ्यास करेंगे. अगर आपको कोई भी अभी सर्जरी हुई है या आप गर्भवती हैं तो आप भस्त्रिका अवॉइड कर दीजिए. You can see some health conditions listed on the screen, in a ticker below. Please follow that. If you have any of those health conditions, you can avoid Bhastrika. Instead, you can do long, deep breaths. However, if you have high blood pressure or any heart-related difficulty, you can still do Bhastrika, but do it gently. अगर आपको रक्तचाप या हृदय रोग है तो आप भस्त्रिका कर सकते हैं, पर हल्के से कीजिए. Let's close our eyes. Your palms are in a loose fist in front of the shoulders. Now when I say breathe in, you will take your arms up and your fist will open. Your palms will open. When I say breathe out forcefully and bring the hands down. जब मैं कहूँगी breathe in, सांस अंदर लेते हुए हाथों को ऊपर ले जाएं, मुट्ठी को खोल दें. जब मैं कहूँगी breathe out, जोर से सांस छोड़ते हुए हाथों को वापस नीचे ले आएं, ऐसे. Breathe in, out. This way. So let's begin. Let us sit with our spine erect, shoulders relaxed. Take position, eyes are closed. A normal breath in and breathe out. Another deep breath in and exhale. Together with force and enthusiasm, breathe in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, 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 out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, and relax. विश्राम करें. Keep your eyes closed during the technique. If you have learnt it, practice it with your eyes closed. Let's take position for the second round of Bhastrika. Bhastrika का दूसरा round. A normal breath in and breathe out. एक लंबी गहरी सांस लें और छोड़ें. पूरे जोश के साथ एक साथ. Together, breathe in, out, 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 and relax. Keep your palms open on the lap, body still. Third and final round, तीसरा और आखिरी round. A normal breath in and breathe out. एक लंबी गहरी सांस अंदर और बाहर. Together with force and enthusiasm, breathe in, out, 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 and relax. Keep your palms open on the lap. We will do yogic breathing. You can keep your right palm gently on the abdomen. Take a breath in and breathe out. Let's begin yogic breathing. Breathe in. Expand the abdomen. Breathe out. Let it fall back. योगिक श्वास लें. सांस अंदर लेते हुए पेट को फैलाएं और सांस छोड़ते हुए पेट को विश्राम दें. Do not force the breath. We are just breathing fully, expanding the abdomen with every incoming breath and relaxing it as we breathe out. सांस में कोई भी जोर न डालें. बस स्वाभाविक रूप से सांस भरें और पेट को फैलाएं. पूर्ण सांस. Continue. And relax. Keep your palms open. We will now do the candle breath. Breathe in from the nose. Breathe out from the mouth as if you're blowing out candles. नाक से सांस अंदर लें और मुंह से छोड़ें जैसे आप मोमबत्तियां बुझा रहे हो. Exhale fully and breathe in again and continue. Full breath in. Breathe in. Breathe in. Breathe in. One last time. And relax. We will now do the alternate nostril breathing or Nadi Shodhan Pranayam. If you are joining in today for the first time, you can open your eyes and learn. And if you already have learned, you can begin practicing Nadi Shodhan Pranayam 8 to 10 rounds. Now in Nadi Shodhan, with the left hand, we make the Chin Mudra. So thumb, tip of the thumb, tip of the index finger, lightly touching each other. The rest of the three fingers are straight. बाएं हाथ की तर्जनी उंगली और अंगूठे के छोर को हल्के से छुआ दीजिए. बाकी तीनों उंगलियां सीधी और एक साथ. दाहिनी हथेली को चेहरे के सामने ले आएं. Bring your right palm in front of your face. Place your right thumb on the right nostril. Index and middle finger in between the eyebrows and ring finger on the left nostril. दाहिना अंगूठा दाहिनी नासिका पे, तर्जनी और मध्यमा दोनों भुवों के बीच में छूते हुए हल्के से और अनामिका से बाईं नासिका को छू दें. Now breathe in from both the nostrils and out from left. बाईं नासिका से सांस को छोड़ दें. Breathe in from left. बाईं से सांस अंदर. Out from right. दाहिनी से सांस बाहर. Breathe in from right. Out from left. दाहिने से अंदर और बाएं से बाहर. फिर एक और बार बाएं से अंदर. Breathe in from the left. Out from the right. In from right. दाहिने से अंदर. And out from left. बाएं से बाहर. Continue this way. चालू रखें. Keep the neck straight. Do not force the breath. The breath is gentle and full. सांस में कोई भी जोर ना लगाएं, खींचे नहीं सांस को. नरम और गहरी सांसें. After this round is complete, you may relax. जब भी ये राउंड संपूर्ण हो तो विश्राम कर सकते हैं. Let us join Gurudev for the meditation.
Okay, today we will be doing meditation on innocence. There is something in you that is so pure. Let's focus on the purity inside of you. There could be many impurity also, but let's not worry about that. Let's only focus, even there is one string of purity within you, because that is close to your being. We say, no, Nityoham Shuddhoham Buddhoham Muktoham. शिव तत्व को जानने से पहले हमारे भीतर कुछ शुद्धता है. जब तक हम शुद्धता पर ध्यान नहीं देंगे तो शिव बहुत दूर है. तो हमारे भीतर कुछ शुद्धता है, वो शुद्धता पर अपना जोर देंगे. There is something very pure within us. Let's put our attention to that so that we can experience the infinity. So let's sit comfortably, easily. Shoulders relaxed. कंधों को ढीला छोड़ दें. आंखें बंद रखें. Become aware of your whole body. And your body has many, many cells. Trillions and trillions of cells are there in your body. आपके शरीर में अरबों खरबों अणु परमाणु हैं। शरीर के बीचों बीच एक धारा है जो एकदम पवित्र है, एकदम शुद्ध है। आप इस दुनिया में आए तब आपके भीतर इतनी मुग्धता और शुद्धता रही है, वो अभी भी है। When we came into this planet, we were very pure and innocent. That innocence and purity still exist deep inside of you, in the center core of you. Let's put our attention to that aspect. Beyond your thoughts, ideas, concepts, and whatever happening around you, inside of you there is the purity. Let's put our attention there. हमारे विचार व्यवहार सबसे परे हमारे बीचों बीच, हमारे भीतर एक शुद्धता की धारा है, तरंग है, उस पर ध्यान देते हैं। सांस लीजिए। Let's take a deep breath in. Relax your whole body. चेहरे में एक मुस्कान बना रहे। Let there be a smile on your face. Another deep breath in. Become aware of the space all around you. Take your attention on the top of the head and become aware of the vast space above you. सिर के चोटी पर ध्यान रखें और सिर के ऊपर भी खाली जगह है, उस पर ध्यान रखें। इस वक्त जहां हम बैठे हैं, ये पवित्र वातावरण में बैठे, शुद्ध वातावरण में बैठे। ये धरती शुद्ध है, ये हवा शुद्ध है, यहां चारों ओर शुद्धता है। और आपके भीतर भी शुद्धता है, आप भी शुद्ध हो। This earth is pure, the air is pure, the atmosphere is pure right this moment. We are in a place with such pure energy all around you. Let's once again chant Om, which has tremendous purifying impact on the body and surrounding. फिर एक बार ओंकार का उच्चारण करते हैं। ओम वातावरण और शरीर मन को शुद्ध कर देता है। फिर एक गहरी सांस लेंगे। मुस्कुराते मुस्कुराते और गहरी सांस लीजिए और मुस्कुराते मुस्कुराते सांस छोड़ें। ब्रीथ इन विथ ए स्माइल, being aware of the pure consciousness that you are, and breathe out with a smile. Nityogam Shuddhoham Buddhoham Muktoham Shivoham Shivoham Shiva Swarupoham. And slowly and gradually become aware of body and surroundings. धीरे धीरे शरीर और परिसर के प्रति सजग हो जाए और आंखें खोल सकते हो. You may open your eyes.
Slowly and gradually you may open your eyes. धीरे धीरे जब भी आपका मन करे आंखें खोल सकते. Good. How was your experience today? Please share it with us in the comment section. कैसा रहा आपका अनुभव आज? ज़रूर comment section में लिखें और किसी के लिए नहीं अपने ही लिए लिखें ताकि आप और सजग हो पाएं इस बदलाव के प्रति. So of course you are joining every day, and we are coming close to finishing 7 days. We are past the halfway mark on the first week. Keep this commitment going. This is so important because usually our enthusiasm is very high in the beginning, right? And then it starts to fizzle out. But good results come to those who are consistent. So keep joining every single day and also keep a little bit of awareness throughout the day on how you're feeling, how are your energy levels, how is the state of your mind, Observe yourself a little bit. You don't have to be paranoid about it, just a little bit throughout the day. हाँ, देखिए आप रोज़ जुड़ते रहेंगे तो आपको जो पूर्ण इसके रिजल्ट्स हैं वो दिखने लगेंगे, है ना. तो कंसिस्टेंसी मतलब रोज़ रेगुलरली आना ये बहुत ज़रूरी है, ठीक है. और आप वो कर ही रहे हैं ऑलरेडी, बहुत बढ़िया. अभी हम पहले हफ्ते के आधा हफ्ता हो चुका है ना. तो इसी तरह से जुड़े रहिए और थोड़ा सा एक अपनी सजगता अपनी ओर भी रखें कि कैसा आपको पूरे दिन में लगता है, क्या आपका एनर्जी लेवल्स कैसे हैं, हाँ, शाम होते होते तक भी कैसा महसूस हो रहा है, शरीर के स्तर पे, मन के स्तर पे. तो ये थोड़ी सी सजगता बनाए रखें और ज़रूर अपना अनुभव हमारे साथ बांटें. If you have any questions, we can now take your questions.
Yes. So first of all, a lot of people are saying it was nice, relaxing, calm. They really are enjoying this. A few questions on Nadi Shodham Pranayam. Yeah. They are a little confused about the finger position, and some people are saying that one nostril is blocked.
Okay. So if your nostril is blocked, don't worry about it. Do as much as your bodies are allowing currently. So you don't have to force into the breath to open the nostril. Nothing like that. However much 10-20% breath is coming in, do that much. Yes? Okay, as far as the hand position is concerned, I'll repeat once more. The left hand, the thumb and index finger, tips slightly touching each other, 3 fingers straight, place it on the left thigh, right? In the right hand, bring it in front of your face. Now your right thumb, gently place it on the right nostril. Got it? Then your index and middle finger, they are touching in between the eyebrows, not pressing, just touching lightly. And with the ring finger, touch the left nostril. Now we are opening and closing the nostrils with the thumb and the ring finger. Okay? Now we'll breathe in from both the nostrils, out from the left. When you are breathing out from the left, you are closing the right with the thumb. Then you breathe in from the left, close the left, breathe out from the right, and so on. Yeah, I hope this is clear.
Chandra is saying, sometime I forget I'm sitting during meditation.
No worries, Chandra ji. Yeah, it can happen, you don't remember where you are, who you are, all that can happen. It's okay.
Similarly, Vipulji is saying, I don't come out only of meditation.
And that's okay, Vipulji. You can keep your eyes closed longer. See, when we ask you to open your eyes, it's just a gentle suggestion. If you feel like keeping them closed for a little longer, please do so.
Priyanka is saying, during meditation, initially after chanting Om, for some moments, I can either breathe in or breathe out.
That's okay. Yeah, sometimes you may feel such stillness that you even feel that breath is not coming in and out. It's fine. You will continue breathing. Yeah.
Padhi ji is saying he's feeling sleepy and inactive.
No worries.
At times.
It is okay, Padiji, because sometimes the body is just lacking rest, and during meditation it catches up on that rest. So if you feel like after the meditation you can lie down for a few minutes and then continue.
A few people are saying about numbness in the body, in the sense legs, when they sit for meditation.
That's normal, because we are not used to sitting in this posture. So a couple of things you can do to make it easier for yourself. One, sit in a comfortable posture already from the beginning.